Copper T. Copper T is a common type of the intrauterine device used for the birth control. It is a T-shaped device made of the plastic with a thin copper wire wrapped around it. The copper in the device helps prevent pregnancy by inhibiting the sperm movement and implantation. Copper T is also known for highly effective and lasts for several years, that is up to 10 years. How copper T works? The copper in the IUD releases ions that create an environment in the uterus that is non-conducive to sperm survival and the fertilization. Types of the copper T. First is a copper T 200. In copper T 200, copper surface area will be 200 mm per square meter. Shape will be T-shape and duration of effectiveness for the 3 years. Second copper T is the copper T 220C. In copper T 220C, copper surface area will be 220 mm per square and shape will be T-shape of the copper T. Duration of the effectiveness will be for the 3 to 5 years. Third copper T is the copper T 380A. In copper T 380A, copper surface area will be 380 mm per square. Shape will be T-shape and duration of effectiveness for the 10 years. Fourth copper T is the copper T 380AG. In copper T 380AG, copper surface area will be 380 mm per square plus silver core will be there. Shape will be T-shape and duration of effectiveness for the 10 to 12 years. Fifth copper T is the multi-load copper T 250. In multi-load copper T 250, copper surface area will be 250 mm per square. Shape will be horseshoe and duration of effectiveness for the 3 to 5 years. Sixth copper T is the multi-load copper T 375. Multi-load copper T 375, copper surface area will be 375 mm per square and shape will be horseshoe. Duration of effectiveness will be for the 5 to 7 years. Seventh copper T is the Nova T 380. Nova T 380, copper surface area will be 380 mm per square. Shape will be T-shape and duration of effectiveness for the 5 years. Eighth copper T is the Gynafix copper T. In Gynafix copper T, copper surface area will be 330 mm per square. Shape will be frameless and duration of effectiveness for the 5 to 10 years. Ninth is the copper T safety. In copper T safety, copper surface area will be 300 to 375 mm per square. Shape will be T-shape and duration of effectiveness for the 10 years. 10th copper T is the Pregna. Pregna T copper T 380A. In Pregna copper T 380A, copper surface area will be 380 mm per square. Shape will be T-shape and duration of effectiveness for the 10 years, but it is widely used in India. Validity of the copper T based on the copper surface area. The effectiveness and the lifespan of the copper T IUD depends primarily on the amount of the copper surface area. First example is 200 to 250 mm per square. Effectiveness for the 3 to 5 years. Second example is the 300 to 375 mm per square. Effective for the 5 to 7 years. Third example is the 380 mm per square. Effective for the 10 years or more. In copper T 380AG includes a silver core to stabilize copper and reduces the fragmentation and corrosion, extending lifespan up to 10 to 12 years. In Gynafix copper T, a frameless IUD with the copper beads, preferred for a woman with a smaller uterine cavities. If you are choosing a copper T device, factors to be considered include desired duration of the contraception. Second is uterine shape and size. Third is the tolerance to side effect, that is the bleeding and the cramping. And fourth is the medical history, that is the anemia or PID. This is the important points I told you about the copper T. Thank you.